Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about another Paula's Choice product. And this is one of her retinol products. So this one is under the Resist range. And this is the Intensive Wrinkle Repair Serum with licorice and kelp. So this product here has 0.1% pure retinol. I've talked about the low strength Paula's Choice retinol products before, and I'll put the link below for the videos that I have done. So 0.01%, 0.03%, and now you move up to mid-strength retinol, which is this one here, 0.1%. Alice Pump. You've got this oily type of texture. This texture is very similar to Paula's Super Antioxidant Serum with Vitamin C. Yeah, it's got that sort of very oily texture. Can you see? Can you see the oily reflection from the light? Very easy to use. When you first put it on, you feel like your face is very oily. But give it 20 minutes and this whole serum would have dissolved and completely absorbed into your skin. And it's not oily anymore. And what I do is, after this has dried, 20 minutes later, I'll put a moisturizer on top. One of the advice that I would give about using retinol serum is that you don't need to add anything else, because retinol itself is pretty powerful, and it's best to just let the retinol ingredient in the product to do its job. So what I do is I don't add any other serum when I use a retinol serum. I just put a nice good layer of moisturizer on top, and then I go to bed. So that's my bonus tip for you today for watching this video. So if you're using any retinol serum from any other brands, just put one layer of retinol serum and your moisturizer on top, and you go to bed. And that's the best way to maximize the benefits of the retinol in the product. So this is how it dissolves. So as you can see, it's just feels very greasy on your hands. Yeah, I have one problem with this product. My problem with this 0.1% strength or mid-strength retinol, I'm not really seeing a lot of changes on my skin. My skin is terribly sensitive to retinol. If I apply too strong of retinol or apply too much retinol on my skin, I can have a slight reaction. For example, pinkness, peelingness the next day, or sometimes even a tiny burning sensation, especially on my cheeks here. But with this retinol, I can apply as much as I want, and I have absolutely no reaction. And with all honesty, I'm not really seeing a lot of changes that I did see with these two low-strength retinols. I mean, it is a beautiful serum, absorbs really nicely, but I'm not really seeing the changes. This is one product I would not repurchase. It's a beautiful serum, don't get me wrong. Applies nicely, doesn't cause any bad reaction or negative reaction on my skin. My neck is usually even more sensitive to retinol. I can literally slap a whole lot of this onto my neck and there's no reaction. Whereas with other retinol serum, even with the Kiehl's Skin Renewing Daily Microdose Retinol Serum, I'm very careful not to put too much on my neck, because otherwise I can get like pinkishness on my neck. So yeah, that is my problem with this product here. And the price for this from Paula's Choice in Australia is Australian $66 for 30 ml. So what I'm holding is the actual size, and it's the only size. So it works out to be $70. $70 for retinol serum, which is a mid-range price-wise. Yeah, I just don't think I would purchase this again when there is plenty of over-the-counter retinol serums out there. So besides the 0.1% retinol, which is mid-strength retinol, this product has got squalane, licorice root extract. Licorice root is known for its brightening properties. This product has vitamin C, tocopherol, which is vitamin E. Yeah, so it's got those main ingredients and then a whole lot of other mixing ingredients to create the texture. So sorry, Paula, you have got other brilliant products which I really like, but not this one today and not for me personally. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please kindly list them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.